Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your Facebook password using an alternative email attached to your Facebook account when you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So to start, you click on any browser of your choice on your computer. In the address bar, log into Facebook website, then enter your email and password. If you are forgetting your password, under the login, click on forget password. This will prompt you to enter your Facebook email to search for your Facebook account so that you can reset your password using an alternative email. So I enter my Facebook email, then I click on search. This will search my Facebook account. So to reset the password, I choose the reset option. Yeah, I choose email as my reset option so that password or a secret code will be sent to my alternative email to use to reset my Facebook accounts. So I choose send code via email, then I click on continue. By clicking on continue, I log into my alternative email accounts. So that I open password sent by Facebook. This is the password. Then I copy and paste it in the secret app. And I paste it. I click on continue. This will prompt me to change my Facebook accounts. So I change the password, then I click on continue. Now the password has been changed. I click on continue or log out or my other device. This was by clicking on get started. This will synchronize all my device connected to my Facebook account to verify that all my Facebook login is secure. So now it's verifying my Facebook account is secure. Then I click on continue. All my email is set. Then I click on continue and keep. Now I can access my Facebook web portal. This is my Facebook web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Clicking the bell icon to receive an update. If the tutorial has helped you, please kindly subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Thank you.